There, little learners. Nay, welcome back to another fun adventure. Today we have new fruits to discover, and we'll learn how to spell each one. Let's get started. This sweet and juicy fruit looks like a peach. It's a nectarine. Can you say nectarine? Let's spell it Nectarine. Nectarine. Oh, spell again. Nectarine. Nectarine. Spell again. Nectarine. Orange melon is called a cantaloupe. Say it with me. Cantaloupe. Now let's spell it Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Spell again. Cantaloupe. These little fruits are called gooseberries. Can you say gooseberry? Let's spell it together. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. Spell again. Gooseberry. Fast spelling. Gooseberry. Alright, fast spelling. Gooseberry.
This giant fruit is called jackfruit. Say it with me, jackfruit. Now let's spell it
Jackfruit. Jackfruit.
Spell again.
Jackfruit. These small fruits are olives. Let's say it together. Olive. Now let's spell it Olive. Olive. Spell again. Olive. Olive. Spell again. Olive. These tiny berries are called currant. Say it with me. Currant. Now let's spell it Currant. Currant. Spell again. Currant. Spell again. Spell again. Currant. This fruit is called a quince. Can you say quince? Now spell it with me. Quince. Quince. Spell again. Quince. This fruit is called a quince. Can you say quince? Now spell it with me. Quince. Quince. Spell again. Quince.
This spiky fruit is called Soursop. Say it with me, Soursop.
Let's spell it Soursop. 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 Spell it Soursop. Soursop. Spell it Soursop. Soursop. Okay. Spell it Soursop.
Soursop.
This unique fruit is breadfruit. Say it with me. Breadfruit. Spell it Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Spell again. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Spell again. Breadfruit. These dark red berries are called boysenberries. Say it with me. Boysenberry. Now let's spell it Boysenberry. Boysenberry. Spell again. Boysenberry. Boysenberry. Spell again. Boysenberry. Boysenberry. Spell again. Boysenberry. work, everyone. You've learned more fruit names and how to spell them. Let's look at them one more time. That was so much fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome learning. See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.